Hey there, it's Matthew Rechtenwald, Boucher Nissan in Waukesha. Quick video for you here on this 2008 Infiniti G37s Coupe. It's a beautiful vehicle. It does have the keyless entry. 2 driver memory seating, power seating. It's got the premium Bose stereo system. Automatic lights, paddle shifters, Bluetooth controls, heated seats, navigation, auto dimming mirror. Let's have the moonroof. It's your premium leather. Beautiful vehicle, price to move. So our Memorial Day sale is today, and our May closeout sale through Thursday. Give me a call to set up your appointment. It's Matthew Rechtenwald at Boucher Nissan in Waukesha. 414-367-7328. Talk to you soon.